I'm VT Steadman, one of the owners of Pipeline Utility Rental Equipment, or PURE, based in Jackson, Mississippi. We found out about PRINOTH when we started our research for tracked vehicles and looked at several brands throughout the industry and realized that PRINOTH was the premier one, and we felt like that's who we wanted to align ourselves with. One of the things we've done as we've expanded into the pipeline utility industry was taking some of our vacuum expertise and bringing it to PRINOTH to build a machine like this one, where we have a premier vacuum system coupled with a premier tracked vehicle to take hydro excavation to some of these remote locations. PRINOTH has been a great partner for us supporting our rental business. The uptime has been really good, their service has been good. Anytime we've had issues, we've had parts availability in a timely manner. It's been a good experience.